So this next video is I need help with my 720, and I'll show you what I need help with in a minute. Okay, so I don't know what you guys are gonna be able to see in this video. I got you pointed at the fan on this thing. What my problem is with this 720 is the pony is not turning the diesel. And I'll show you what I mean when I get this thing a spinning, and I want to see if that fan turns at all. Get myself up on here. Turn the gas on. So I'm just dumbfounded as to what the heck is wrong with this dumb thing. It started, well, the muffler don't have a darn thing to do with it. Yeah. I don't know. Was the flywheel turning, guys? We're getting low on gas. I don't know. My thought is the plugs are going bad in this thing. Two there, and then there's two more back behind there where the light is somewhere. Something's sticking, guys. The diesel's got engine oil because it starts when you pull start it, okay? It's just when you try and start it with the pony. Now, why would the pony be lugging down while you're trying to start the diesel like it was doing? That, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, maybe Wes could help me out. What I'm half tempted to do is take this cover off, see if the flywheel's turning. Well, no. The flywheel's connected to this, which is the pony. So, I don't know. It's just frustrating. Kind of honked off because ponies aren't cheap. I kept all my Green Magazine books, so I have to go through them tonight. I remember there being an article on the 720 Pony. I don't remember if it said if it won't start the diesel or what. Does it darn? Well, yeah, the thing would have to run. Oh, good grief. That shouldn't be that tight. Not that. It not having. Heck is my light on in my pocket? Bumped it by accident. But this is just aggravating. Who the heck put the thing on so tight? But it's not supposed to be on that tight. I didn't dump any engine oil in this thing. Holy crap. Not that that would make it not want to start. I don't know. I'm dumbfounded. The thing started right up, you know, every time it started right up so I could wash it, and I backed it right up in the shop there after I washed it, and then the darn thing wouldn't start again. So I don't know. I'm kind of honked off because I like stuff to work. And I just like getting the 720 to move a wagon here or there or whatever. Yeah. Arg. V4 Pony. It was the first one I come to. Let's see, I don't know if it needs a tune-up. 2-cylinder jumpy clutch, that's what the 720 has. Starting engine testing. Would that mean a Pony? Or an injector nozzle? I don't know. Let's see. Repairing plow. No. $720s. Single stick transmission. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, so there's where I'm wrong. He's been questioned why he doesn't call it a pony motor. Engines run on fuel, motors run on electricity. Okay. I've been calling it a pony motor my whole life. That makes perfect sense. It says allow cranking engine to run a short while before engaging the big diesel. Length of time will vary with temperatures. Normally from wonderfully place the cranking engine, throttle or run position, pull decompression lever. Okay, slowly pull the cranking engine, clutch lever. Cranking engine. Cranking engine to run or motor the diesel registers. This is important, blah blah. The diesel engine to turn over several revolutions. Okay, mine's not even getting 3 revolutions. Huh. Okay, so diesel engine, hard to start. Water, dirt, and the fuel. Air and injection system. Dirty injection nozzles. Poor compression. I don't know, guys. If any of you are having troubles with your 720 or know anything about these ponies, let me know. Leave me a comment, or you can reach me at ebtravis@gmail.com. And then there, I'll give you my number, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, reach out to me, ebtravis@gmail.com, if you can help me with this problem. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe the thing does have a bunch of schnooks in the bottom of the tank or something. Never put diesel in it in 7 years. Yeah. I think it's time we maybe drain the tank. I don't know. The thing has always started though. I don't get it. That's what I say. Can you guys please help me start my tractor?